All right, next one we're at is number 14 on page 4. In number 14, they give us this C, right? Which means common time, exactly. So common time is the same thing that we think of as 4/4 time, right? So just 4 beats in a measure. Even though it doesn't have the numbers, it's still 4/4 time basically, right? So look at the key signature. We're gonna be in that F concert key again. So notice your sharps, notice your flats, notice what isn't there and what is there. We also have that dotted quarter note, okay? So let's just take a second and look at the dotted quarter note. So that starts right in the first full measure. Notice that the first little part there is our 3 pickup notes. We have the 2 eighth notes and then the quarter note, so 2 beat pickup notes. So we're gonna start on beat 3, exactly, on beat 3. So we're gonna start out in measure 2 right now. We're just gonna take a look at the dotted quarter note. So for that dotted quarter note, I have a half note, so that's 1, 2, and then I have 3 and 4, and is gonna be the 8th note at the end. So if I'm just gonna do tas and ts for that, in the second measure I go, ready, go. Ta, ta, ti. Okay, try and tap that out too and you'll see it. I'm gonna turn on the metronome for this one, so maybe you can really hear it better. So I bob my head to that. Ta, ta, ti. Got to really feel that upbeat. Da, da, di. You'd be a great dancer when we're all done. All right? So let's try and play that for a second. Here we go. Ready? Second, this is the first full measure. Okay, here we go. Ready? 1, 2, ready? All right, how'd we do? Check out the third full measure. So remember that little bit there right underneath where it says Allegro, that is the pickup measure, right? So the first full measure starts at the half note, second measure, then the third measure has that half note again, right? With the dotted quarter note in there. So that one again is gonna be 1, 2, 1, I'm sorry, try it again. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and, right? So let's try that third full measure. Here we go. Ready? All right, and then we have another one in the 5th measure, and then there's a repeat at the very end of the piece. And I'm going to take my pencil and I'm just going to circle that repeat so that I don't forget to do it, because sometimes after you think about all the other stuff, you forget. Also, I want to circle that breath mark in there. Do you see it? And if you really need to, try to not mark it in there, but if you really need to, check out where the note is in the key signature and try to see if you can find it before you actually end up playing with it. Playing this piece. So if you want to stop the video now, look for all those things, use your pencil to circle it out. Remember, we always have a pencil out when we're going to rehearse, all right, or practice. All right, so let's play. Here we go. Ready? Remember, I'm going to start on beat 3, so I'm going to breathe on beat 2. Okay, so I'll give you 4 counts, and then another 2, and then we're going to come in. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. All right, I almost forgot that repeat at the end. I probably would need to mark that again if we're going to keep playing this, all right? So again, if you got that right there when you played that with me, awesome. Go on to the next one. If it didn't quite work out for you, you should stop and we should go back and try to fix it so that we get it really good. If that's all you did today, good on you. That's all you need to do, all right? So just keep practicing it and it's like a little game with yourself, all right? Really try to make it as best you can. And you have my example there and you can try and play along with me. And that'll be like kind of your own little test to see if you could do it right. All right, good luck.